January isn't a month for waiting. It's for getting ahead. The seeds you sow now quietly build roots and resilience while others are still planning. At Nature's Blueprint, we garden with biology, timing and plant intelligence, aligning our actions with nature's rhythms. This month, we'll reveal 7 crops that thrive when sown in the cold, and the simple techniques to ensure their success. Prepare to witness the quiet power of life asserting itself against the odds. Peas are true January pioneers, able to germinate in cold soil as low as 4 degrees Celsius. Sowing now lets peas develop strong roots before pests arrive, setting the stage for a sweet, abundant harvest. Sow seeds 5 centimeters deep and 5 to 7 centimeters apart. Then cover with mulch to insulate and nourish. Even in cold climates, a layer of straw or compost protects seeds and provides nutrients as they grow. Spinach sown in January becomes sweeter and more tender thanks to the cold. Sow seeds shallowly, just a centimetre deep, so they catch winter light, and use containers or raised beds if soil is frozen. Germination is slow, but this patience yields a resilient, delicious crop. The cold start toughens spinach, making it ready to flourish as spring arrives. Radishes thrive when sown in January, maturing before summer heat can ruin their flavour. Prepare loose, stone-free soil and sow seeds 2 centimetres deep in rows. Thin seedlings 3 to 5 centimetres apart for the best roots. Keep soil consistently moist. Dryness leads to cracked, spicy radishes. With this care, you'll enjoy a rapid, crisp harvest. Carrots must be sown directly in January for perfect roots. Transplanting stunts them. Mix tiny seeds with sand for even spacing. Sow shallowly and cover with 1 centimetre of fine soil or compost. Keep the top layer moist. A light compost mulch helps prevent crusting. Though the ground may look lifeless, carrots are quietly preparing for their journey downward. Patience now means straight, sweet carrots later. Sowing onions from seed in January builds a robust root system for bigger, better bulbs. Sow seeds thinly in shallow drills, spacing for the final bulb size to avoid overcrowding. The cold soil protects dormant seeds while roots develop unseen. This early investment pays off with impressive harvests and superior storage. Give onions space and time, and they'll reward you come summer. Broad beans are winter titans, thriving in cold and withstanding frosts. Sowing in January lets them flower before summer heat and avoid black bean aphids. Plant large seeds 5 to 8 centimetres deep and 20 centimetres apart in double rows. Early sowing means strong, pest-resistant plants and a heavy crop. Certain lettuces, like Winter Density, can be direct sown in January for robust, flavourful leaves. Sow seeds shallowly and cover lightly. Use mulch or a cold frame for extra protection in harsh climates. These seeds will be the first to germinate as days lengthen, offering early, crisp greens. Winter sowing toughens lettuce, delivering a taste of spring ahead of schedule. The January garden is a place of quiet potential, where growth never truly stops. These 7 crops prove that with timing and knowledge, winter is a season of opportunity. By sowing now, we build resilience and abundance for the months ahead. If this changed how you see January gardening, Subscribe to Nature's Blueprint and share with a fellow gardener. The journey begins now. Let's grow smarter, not later.